Yeah, finish him off. Seeing what they're gonna do. I just keep watching, seeing what they're gonna do.
I wonder how well they can hear
Geese going crazy. What are these two doing? That's a goose. Bob, you may be able to hit that goose. You see him?
Whoa. Right here, here's the single gonna land on us. We can kill that duck right here behind you too, right over.
Yeah. Lift it a little bit.
We just have to shoot a single and then the whole world.
Watch out, look here to the left. Coming or going? See these two? Oh shit. There's shit on us. Well, that single one's down. Those two are dropping hard. Where? Yeah. And you think some of them... Oh, shit. We're getting a show, if nothing else. We'll get a good show. Teal. There's some coming behind us that I know. We just need them to come in and land. Two cupped up coming over you, Bob, right over the top. Here they come. Get ready on these. We just can't compete with those live ducks. These three right here might need to get shot in the face though. You see them up front?
We just gotta shoot and get all these.
I agree. I'm gonna have to sky bust something to get them up. They're looking at us, but we can't compete with the motion of the live ones. That one right there might be a taker right above us. To your left, Bob. See them geese coming up? Three to the left coming hard. Shoot him, Clayton. Shoot him.
We shooting them?
We shooting at him? We shoot.
Y'all ready?
Let's see if we can get the other ones following.
I'll shoot the hen, you shoot the drake.
Get up, shoot.
I can't see him well enough to do that, but
We shooting them or not?
I said we'll see if any more follow him.
Six others are following you.
I'm gonna shoot that fucking drake.
There's three, isn't there?
There's a drake and a hen.
Yeah.
Is there not three? There's just two.
We gotta shoot them.
Alright, you get to here and I'll shoot
I'll shoot whatever jumps up.
Tell me when.
that. 1, 2.
Somebody dropped the ball on the drakes. Woo. God, your gun is loud.
Hey, sit.
Look at all the birds that are up.
Sit. He hit, but
Hey,
he didn't.
back.
He come back around the way.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Shoot over right here.
Oh, is he coming from your way?
He's right there. He's going,
Oh, I was looking the other way.
he's going down. He's hurt.
God, look at all these to the left. They're high, but golly.
Robert, you ready? He's on your left.
Look at all these ducks. Yeah, finish him off. Oh, shoot. No, is that heavy metal? Damn, look at the geese. Here they come. Hope y'all are ready. With the geese beat down. Come by here, you low mother. Woohoo! Got him. Your gun sounds so weird in this pit.
It's so nice to have a dog.
Yeah.
Good girl. You got a hanger? Yeah.
Got him. Taking him in. Damn.
It was a little far that time. Oh yeah, they can give you a look this time. That's so low, I can't even see him behind the dog box. You want to take him this time?
Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, they're too high to lift it off.
That's perfect. I don't know what talking about. I shoot him?